This, what's called the cipher in Pakistan, the alleged leak diplomatic cable from the embassy here. It is not accurate. It at no point does it accuse the United States government or me personally of taking steps against Imran Khan. And thirdly, the other person in the meeting, the then ambassador of Pakistan to the United States, has testified to his own government that there was no conspiracy. We respect the sovereignty of Pakistan. We respect the principle that Pakistani people should be the only ones choosing their own leaders through a democratic process. Mr. Chairman.
हमारे लिए ये हैरान कुन था जब 27 मार्च इस्लामाबाद के जलसे में कागज का एक टुकड़ा लहराया गया और ड्रामाई अंदाज में एक ऐसा बयानिया देने की कोशिश की गई जिसका हकीकत से दूर दूर तक कोई वास्ता नहीं था। साइफर के हवाले से हाल ही में कई हकायक मंजर आम पर आ चुके हैं।